Hi everyone, I'm Vijay from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So here we have one of our placed candidate called Kishan. So recently got placed in a company. He'll share his experience now. So Kishan, can you share your experience?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kishan, and I'm from Bangalore. So I graduated from the Kalpataru College. I'm a 2024 output. So I joined KISHAN in the month of August 14th, 2024. So after joining in the domain of Python testing, and also I was under training of Keshav sir, Lakshmi sir, and Vijay sir, and also Alexa. So those were like they trained me in the Python. And coming to my manual testing, sorry for the manual, Gautam sir, Pradeep sir, and Niran sir were like guided me and took a class for me. And also for the SQL part, Vinod sir I was under Vinod sir. And coming to the aptitude, quantitative was taken by Selva sir, and verbal was taken by Niveda ma'am. So coming to my experience in QSpider, so I had a good experience in the QSpider. I enjoyed a lot along with these studies. So here the environment was such in a good way, like they treated us like their family. So through that we were not having any pressure to study, like we enjoyed and studied. So this was a plus point for me to get placed, and I did not get any stressed over here. And also even my communication, as I'm talking now, this was not my communication. So due to the presentations, the mock and all, so gradually even my communication also improved. So this was also a plus point over here. And even the grooming was also been taken for me before I attended the company. And the company which I got placed.
So you worked hard and you got placed. Congrats and all the best.
Thank you, sir.